One tip for clear and effective communication is to avoid using words with overlapping meanings that make a phrase redundant. Here are some examples. Free gift. A gift is typically free. New recruits. There are no old recruits. Recruits will always be new. Fatal killings. All killings are fatal, especially if they're extrajudicially killed. Other alternative. An alternative is always the other option. Repeat again. When you repeat something, you always do it again. Past history. History is always something that happened in the past, except when some people revise it for their present interests. Still remains. If something remains, it is still that thing. Added bonus. A bonus is always something that's added. Plan ahead. When you plan something, you already do it ahead of time, like strategically planning for a public health crisis before it takes so many lives. Revert back. When you revert something, you typically bring it back to its former state. New innovations. If it's an innovation, it's typically something new. End result. There is no result at the beginning. The result is always seen at the end. And if you want to change the results for the better, make sure you register to vote. Make sure you avoid using these redundant expressions. What